Just got back from the post office and check it out. One of my buddies back home made this t-shirt for me for the channel. It's pretty cool, huh? I don't know if you guys can read that. Triple D Tees, check them out on Facebook. If you guys want a t-shirt or something made. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Thanks, Nate. Alright guys, welcome back to the garage. It is a beautiful Sunday morning, as you can tell. The sun is just beating into the garage right now. My garage faces the east, so it gets beated with sun. That didn't sound. Anyways, it gets pounded with sun early in the morning, so it kind of makes filming difficult. But we're not working on the S10 today. Like I said, it's Sunday morning, and we're just trying to get caught up for the next week ahead of us. Basically, Sundays I spend most of the day just doing laundry and stuff around the house. But today we're going to be doing a little bit of maintenance on the daily. It's kind of been on the back burner, been neglected for a while, ever since the S10 came into the picture. So there's a few things that I need to do. I was just going through topping off all the fluids and checking them and stuff. As some of you may know, these 8.1s are pretty notorious for burning oil. So had to check the oil, top it off a little bit, and here pretty soon we got to do an oil change on it, but not today. Still got probably another 1,000 or 1,500 miles before we need to do the oil change on it, but it was just a little bit low on oil. And then also we're going to be cleaning the air filter. It's pretty filthy. I'll show you guys. Yeah, that's it's probably been, hell, I'll be honest, it's probably been 3 years since I've cleaned this thing. I don't think I've cleaned it since I moved. But anyways, topped off the coolant, it was a little bit low. Topped off the oil, it was a little bit low. Like I said, this truck's been kind of neglected. It's just been a workhorse. And it's getting pretty nasty under the hood here. You know, I'm pretty ashamed. I used to keep this thing pretty clean all the time. I mean, it's pretty low mileage for 2006. It's only got 110,000 miles on this thing, and had 57,000 miles on it when I bought it back in, let's see, what was it, 2014, 2015. But yeah, pretty low mileage for an 06 with 8.1 in it, you know. I also noticed I got a little bit of a leak here coming from my Hydro Boost, which has been kind of apparent for the last few months. So what I'm gonna do is probably gonna order parts to fix that and get that taken care of here pretty soon. But in the meantime, I think I'm gonna clean up the engine bay. I'm gonna get some degreaser, clean that up before I work on it, clean up this in the wheel well, and get this thing cleaned up, get it looking good again. Clean the air filter, clean the engine bay, get this thing back to how I used to keep it. Roxy's gonna sit over there and just relax in the sun. But yeah, let's get to it, guys. All right, well, that about does it under here. Got her all nice and clean, shined up. And little tip, when you're doing those K&N air filters with that oil, you don't want to really put a whole lot on there, especially like mass airflow sensor vehicles, you know, pretty much anything EFI that has a mass airflow sensor. If you put too much of that stuff on, it'll actually pull it through the filter. The oil will get on your mass airflow sensor, and then you'll have a check engine light, and it'll kind of run a little bit weird. But I used to spend a lot of time at the dealership cleaning mass airflow sensors after people did their own K&N filters. So just a little tip, you just want to be light and sparing with that oil. You don't want to really cake it on there. Just a really nice thin coat, and then let it sit for a while and let it kind of soak in and set up before you just fire it up and start driving. Just a little tip there. But yeah, guys, not a whole lot going on in this video. It's kind of a lame video, but you know, that's just kind of how it goes sometimes. You know, not a lot going on, but I wanted to try and make at least something for you guys. Yesterday I took the S10 for a little bit of a cruise, just kind of figuring out the timing table, you know, on pump gas, trying to figure out like a street tune with it, and just kind of giving it a shakedown, making sure it doesn't overheat or anything like that. And probably put about 35 miles on it just for a nice little cruise yesterday. I did film a little bit of it, so I'm going to close the video out with the footage from that yesterday. I didn't really do any kind of commentary or anything. I just hooked up the GoPro to the window and went for a nice little drive. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully it wasn't too boring, but we'll see you guys on the next one.